Are you searching for love on dating apps? In this video, I will tell you why AI is stopping you from finding your one true love.
Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Inspira Central. Inspira Central.
Hello fellow Inspirers, welcome to Inspira Central. My name is Monica and I'm the Chief Inspirer herself. It's so good to have you here. Thank you for joining me. Today I'll be talking about how AI is preventing you from finding true love. Before I begin, I want to ask you a question. Have you heard about chatfishing? Chatfishing is defined as using AI to create responses when you're chatting with somebody on a dating app. AI has taken over almost every part of our lives. It's used in our day-to-day activities, in writing books, in creating content, in creating pictures, even in making videos. AI is really growing and is really becoming more commonly used all over the world. However, AI is gradually creeping into our dating lives as well, not just in the making of the apps or in the way the apps are used, but rather in the way people chat with each other and interact on dating apps. Have you ever chatted with somebody on a dating app and they didn't sound like themselves, or they didn't sound natural? They were sounding kind of robotic and machine-like? That is probably chatfishing. And you may be asking yourself, why is this person sounding dull? Why is this person sounding programmed? But what you don't realize is that the person may be generating responses to your chats. The person may not even come up with the chat, may not initiate a topic, but will wait for you to bring up a topic and then give replies that sound robotic. This is very funny and is disheartening. One thing people don't realize is that this chatfishing is actually disconnecting people, because even though you're giving responses, you're not getting to know the person that you're chatting with. You're spending more of your time generating what you're going to respond to the person instead of actually enjoying the conversation and building a rapport with the person. You know that when you're trying to prompt in something, you actually have to think. Now imagine that instead of focusing on your chat, instead of focusing on the person on the other side of the dating app, you're focusing on your device and how to come up with an answer. The essence of dating apps is for you to meet people that may not necessarily be in your environment. It's for you to stay at home or wherever you are and chat with people all over the world and see if you can develop a relationship that could blossom into something beautiful, into something long-term. That is the essence of these dating apps. But when you allow AI to take over your world and even encroach on your chats on a dating app, it then makes your chats to no longer flow. It makes your chats to become boring. It makes your chats to not feel human. And trust me when I say, the person on the other side can detect when you're not being human. They can detect that you don't sound like a natural person. They know what natural conversations flow like. They know what natural language feels like. They know what conversations with people feel like, even on the phone. And so when you start to use chatfishing on people on dating apps, you lose the opportunity to build a relationship with them. And another thing is that you also deprive them of the opportunity to know you. Because how do they know you? You are sounding like AI. You are sounding robotic. You're sounding like a machine. You don't sound like yourself. How do they get to know you? How do they get to know how you think? How do they get to know how you speak? These are the little things that help people have a peek into who you are. They have a peek into your world. If, for instance, they say, "How did your day go?" Do you need a machine to tell you how your day went? Do you need AI to tell you how your day had been spent? It's as simple as saying, my day went thus. I woke up in the morning, I think I woke up late because I overslept. Then I had to hurry to work. When I got to the office, thank goodness my boss was not in the office. So I quickly snuck into my office, turned on my computer, and I started working. I had a file that I was supposed to submit at 12 noon. So I started working assiduously on that. And then I submitted the file, and I was so on time for that. Thankfully, my boss got the email right on time. Is this an experience that you're expecting AI to generate? Is this an experience that AI has? Remember that AI does not have experiences. Remember that AI does not think like human beings exactly. Neither does AI share the nuances and the behaviors or patterns of human beings. There is a limit to what AI knows. AI can never tell you how your day went, except if it was spying on you, except if it had a camera and then you said, analyze what is in this footage so that you can tell me how my day went. Why do you have to use AI? When you use AI to chat with people on dating apps, there is no essence to it. There is no soul to it. There is no humanity to it. You cannot build a relationship when you are chat fishing. When you are using AI to generate responses, you can never build a relationship that way. And maybe you're scared of your grammar. Maybe you're scared of your spellings. I recommend that you spell the way you know how to. I recommend that if you cannot spell, you should make a call. You should send a voice note. Maybe that will be better for you. Maybe the person can hear your voice, hear you speak well. Maybe you speak better than you spell. It doesn't matter. What matters is that the person on the other end gets to know you and you get to know them. Now imagine if you were chat fishing somebody and the person started chat fishing you in return. What's it going to be? It's going to be two robots talking, right? It's not two human beings, it's now two robots talking. And that is going to be lifeless and dull. Maybe then you will realize that using AI to respond to chats on dating apps can be very boring. It has no soul and no essence to it. If you really want to find true love, let the person get to know you. Let the person know how you see the world. Let the person know how you express yourself. And the only way that person can know how you see the world, how you express yourself, and who you truly are is by writing in your own way. Write the way you know how to. Stop thinking that there's an award that you're going to win if you write in flowery words or you write in big grammar. It's not about big grammar. Big grammar does not build relationships. Speak the way you know how to. Write the way you know how to. And if you are bad with spellings and you feel insecure about your spellings, then start learning to write better or call the person on the phone. These dating apps have features that allow you call the other person on the other end. So why not tap into these features? Why not utilize these features and build a relationship that may blossom into something beautiful? AI has come to stay. AI is very useful in our lives, but you have to draw the line. You have to know where to use AI and where to be yourself. You have to know where to never bring AI into your dating game. Dating is about getting known. It's about knowing the other person too. It's not about auditioning for big grammar or auditioning to prove yourself as an elite or as a very educated person. That's not it. These dating apps provide you with the opportunity to find someone that you could build a life with. What better way to build a life with someone than to let them know who you truly are and to also find out who they are? The best way to do this is to communicate plainly, communicate naturally, communicate as yourself by yourself. Stop bringing AI into your private chats. Stop bringing AI into your dating life. And before you know it, you just might find someone who loves you for who you are. I hope that this message has helped you realize that it's okay to be yourself when you're chatting with someone on a dating app. Stop using AI to generate responses because those responses can never express who you truly are. AI may be useful in many ways, but AI can never let the other person on the dating app get to know the real you. So leave AI out of the dating apps. If you enjoyed watching this video, please drop a comment below. Also, if you'd like to watch more videos that encourage you to be yourself and to become an even better version of yourself, please subscribe to this channel. Simply click the subscribe button and get subscribed to this channel today. It is completely free of charge. You don't have to pay anything to subscribe to this channel. So click that subscribe button. Also, do not forget to click the notification button so you'll be notified as soon as I update. Please like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Also, please share this video with everyone. AI has become a part of our lives, but we need to keep AI out of our dating so you can really know who you're dating. Thank you so much for spending time with me. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. I have a playlist in the description of this video. Please go watch each of the videos in that playlist. Drop a comment on each of those videos and tell me how they have helped you. Don't forget to be an inspiration. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Please subscribe, click the notification button, like this channel, share our videos, and follow us on social media. Thank you very much.
Inspira Central. Inspira Central.